This is another old one called El Sonido del Mar es Silencio. Somewhere between an endless field of morning-closed wildflowers and the bitterness of another rented room, I stand waist-deep in the sea's embrace, allowing the riptide to drag me through the sand into a mystery we can know but once. Listen. The way the wind sometimes catches a dead leaf and transforms it in the space of a pulse beat into a bird taking flight is the kind of miracle we should live for. I have been told you must never watch a bird fly past the horizon, or it will take a small part of your soul with it. But what is the soul, if not the sum of the flights of 1,000 birds? The sea at Puerto Madero is warmer than tears. Eats continually at the feet of Chiapas is sister, not to the rivers of jungle valleys and coffee plantations, but to the patient volcanoes like Tacana, thunder and haze of the Guatemalan border. We spent 2 days climbing, crossing the path of a death-offering snake, eating pan dulce with village children, and being questioned by the Mexican army on patrol looking for Zapatistas. When they find them, let each soldier fall to his knees and beg forgiveness for the last 500 years. Let them speak the names of the dead. Let their mouths be filled with the dust of the graves. Let this be true for every soldier, but more so for every priest of the Pentagon, every general of Wall Street, every tycoon of evangelism. Let it be true for you and me. The sound of the sea contains everything, swells out of control if we try to listen, overwhelms our capacity to hear, until infinite sound becomes silence. El sonido del mar es silencio. 500 years in a single wave. Silencio. History rises and falls with a single tide. Silencio. It was the children who gave us sweet bread. We had nothing. Silencio. Always another bird with eyes of ocean takes to the sky. Thank you so much, Dave. Thanks so much. Had a really great time. Hope you did too. Thank you, Billy, Parker, Buff, Dave, Mark, and all of you. Thank you.
Don't forget to tip your bartenders and waiters. Just says.